How you can create a storyboard in Meta AI app. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI, and I assume that you have already downloaded it. So now once you open it, you will be able to see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section. So just select the three lines button, and once you tap on it, you can see at the second option there is chat. So let's tap on chat. So once you select the chat option, finally you will be able to see there is a few options on in the screen. So you can see create a video from my photo, restyle my photo as enemy, and so on. So to create a storyboard, you simply need to give a prompt in here. So just give your prompt according to your want, and make sure it is a more detailed one. So once you do it, simply send it, and yeah, you will be able to create your storyboard in Meta AI successfully. So basically this is how, and this will be the process to create or make your storyboard in Meta AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.